In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share access on Xero. Whether you're looking to expand your team's capabilities or need to give your accountant access to your financials, sharing access on Xero can streamline your workflow and improve your collaboration. Let's dive into the process to ensure you can share access securely and efficiently. First, once you're logged in, you enter your organization's hub on Xero, where all your financial data resides. This is where the real action begins. As you find yourself on the dashboard, you'll need to navigate to your organization's specific settings. For this, you have a handy link directly to your organization, or alternatively, a drop-down menu if you're managing more than one. Within your organization's realm, you'll want to locate the settings option. This might be represented by a gear icon or simply mentioned as settings. Clicking this will take you deeper into the customization and administrative options available to you. Your next destination is the Users section under Settings. This is where Xero allows you to manage who has access to what within your organization. It's designed to give you a clear overview of both current and potential users. Locate and click on the Users option to proceed. Once you're on the Users page, look for a button or a link that says Invite a User. This option is your gateway to adding new members to your Xero environment. Clicking on this initiates the process to extend access to another individual. When inviting a user, you now need to enter their personal details. This includes basic but important information such as their name and email address. These details ensure that your invite finds its way to the right person and that their identity within Xero is correctly established. After filling in the personal details, it's crucial to determine the level of access this new user will have. Xero offers a variety of permission settings to choose from. This might range from read-only access to full administrative rights. Take a moment to consider what this user really needs to do within Xero and select the appropriate permissions. It's always wise to follow the principle of least privilege, only giving as much access as necessary to complete their tasks. Finally, having keyed in the details and selected the permissions, you're ready to send the invite. Look for the Send Invite button. Clicking this button sends an email invite to the person you're adding. They'll need to accept this invite to gain access to your Xero organization, and there you have it. You've successfully begun the process of sharing access to your Xero account. Remember, the person invited will need to follow through by accepting the invitation. It may be a good idea to give them a heads up that they'll be receiving this invite so they know to look out for it. Sharing Xero access is a powerful way to enhance collaboration and efficiency in handling your organization's finances. Whether it's granting access to a new team member or your financial advisor, following these steps ensures you do so securely and smoothly. Don't hesitate to regularly review who has access to your Xero account. Situations change, and it's essential to keep your users and their permissions up to date to maintain the security and integrity of your financial data. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to share Xero access. Make sure to follow these steps carefully, and you'll be on your way to more collaborative and efficient financial management. Stay tuned for more tips and guides to help you make the most of Xero.